Welcome to my channel, ladies. I have been on the journey of losing weight and keeping in shape in the comfort of my home. No gym, not much equipment as well. So I've created my account so that we can be on this journey together, lose weight together and keep in shape together in the comfort of our homes. So in this video, we are going to get right into the arms. If you want to lose the fat around your arms, or if you want to keep your arms firm, then this video is for you. No equipment needed. I just need you to be in the comfort of your zone without wasting much time. Let's get to the video.
Every time I try to fit in, it ends up in misery, yeah. Socializing doesn't fit me, but I can get away so easy. I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids. It's all overrated, no I never missed it. I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids. It's all overrated, I just didn't read it. I'm a la 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 loner, a la 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 loner, a la 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 loner. I'm an outlaw in this world. I'm solo dancing on your body, crazy on my own but all in. I can feel the eyes of staring, but I don't care about them saying. I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids. It's all overrated, no I never missed it. I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids. It's all overrated, I just didn't read it. I'm a la 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 loner, a la 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 loner, nadie. Con mi movimiento de safari, todo pendiente de mí en el party. Y tú sabes, no pierdas el tiempo. Dale, vente, pégate lento. No, dale, no pierdas el tiempo. Esta noche me puse, a eso no le doy.